eggs to get eggplant, George.
It's Curious George, weekdays on PBS Kids, or watch anytime you want at
The primary entry point system has issued the emergency action notification for the following areas in New Mexico: Albuquerque, Grants. Residents may leave the state now until further notice. If you're near 500 to 10 miles, leave immediately. Evacuating may make your life in a higher risk of being dead. A radiological gas hazard has been an accidental spread out for the New Mexico. The USNRC are trying to fix this problem to this solution, so whatever you do, try to evacuate immediately. Your life is in mortal danger. Leave immediately. Take these things with you as you leave: food, water, clothes, driver's license, college degree, first aid kit, band-aids, and anything that's important to use. Mask may not protect the smell or the gas. Make sure to use a gas mask to protect yourself. If you're traveling to New Mexico, turn back immediately. The place is not safe until the next 20 to 90 years. Message from KCLA TV, 2010.